about the government giving out roof straps?
Roof strap? What is that?
Roof straps to keep down the roof. We are still in the hurricane season.
Oh, yes, I saw some people doing it.
Resilience roofing is everybody's business. We need to go and get ours too.
So we're going to have to get some and some tarpaulin.
Okay.
The Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM, recently held an expo in Black River, St. Elizabeth, encouraging persons to build disaster-proof roofs to protect their homes. Residents received hurricane roof straps and tarpaulins as part of the program. It's a continuation of the Resilient Roofing Program, which started in 2008 after Tropical Storm Gustav impacted parts of Jamaica.
We had damage in Jamaica then to about 1,500 houses on the eastern side. And so we did a project which was looking at resilient roofing, how to ensure that our citizens were paying critical attention to the aspect of putting in resilient roofing. Looking at what had happened with Beryl and the fact that persons are in the business now of reconstruction and retrofitting their roofs and putting on back their roofs, we thought it was necessary to bring back that information to the general public, to say to persons, in your roof repairs, ensure that you're building in resilience, that you're using hurricane straps and you're using the proper roof construction. So we thought it was necessary to come out to St. Elizabeth, given the impact in St. Elizabeth and the fact that, given the resilience of our people, persons are out there already putting on their roofs themselves.
Hurricane straps are metal connectors used during roof construction to reduce the risk of roofs being blown off in severe weather.
What we are doing here in Black River is the first in a series of what we would call information around the hurricane and what the government is doing and what the residents themselves can do in order to prevent, certain damage during the hurricane season. We still have a far way to go as it relates to what will happen for the remainder of the season.
It is hoped that this initiative will encourage more residents, not only in St. Elizabeth, but in other parishes, to consider sustainable housing construction, especially when it comes to roofing.
In terms of hurricane resilience, to using hip or gable roofs are the better roof in terms of to minimize the impact of wind damage. So you will have a flat roof, and what will happen is that the wind will be able to get under the roof itself and lift up the zinc sheeting. So your hip roofs, and dependent on the degree of slope, it gives you a better resilience. So the wind literally blow into the roof itself and not getting under the roof.
We understand that there are a number of things outside of our control. So what you have to do is stay positive. And the people have remained positive despite suffering tremendous devastation. I mean, not only have their livelihoods been uprooted in terms of their agricultural enterprise, their fishing enterprise, but again, their homes. There's still so many people who have to be staying with family and friends because they cannot go back into their houses. I think sometimes we don't appreciate that when you lose your roof, you normally lose everything in the house. You lose your bed, your mattress, you lose everything. You lose the furniture. So to face that and still be positive, it really takes internal resilience.
Jamaicans must become more disaster conscious of where we live, how we build, and the risk that we take during this time.